everyone, I'm so excited. I have a quick review for you all. A cool thing I received in the mail. This is a Be As Small travel makeup brush set with a LED light mirror. It is a 3-in-1 plus much more, and this company sent this to me and I'm excited to review it. I only give honest reviews. Stay tuned. This is a good gift for yourself or for someone else. So my name is Charrese. Welcome to my channel, Gracefully Charrese. As you guys can see, I do not have my eyeshadow done because I'm actually going to be trying the brushes that actually come with this set. Multiple brushes, okay? Multiple brushes come with this mirror travel set. I'm gonna show you what's inside and then I'm gonna try a couple of the brushes. Okay, first let's unbox it. Let's see. Ooh, nice packaging. Okay, let's see the mirror. Okay, so this is it, you guys. This is actually a perfect size for you to put in your purse if you have like a medium and up purse. Okay, let's open it. Let me see. You have to be careful opening this. I just lotioned my hand, so that didn't help. There's ridges to make it like easy for you to open, but keep in mind that this actually rotates. So keep that in mind when you're trying to open it as well. So open it carefully. Hold on, ASMR. Satisfying, right? So let's see the light. This is chargeable. It takes USB-C for charging, and it's a touch screen. So here we go. Yeah, it lights up really well. Let me show you how it looks on my face. Yeah, this is bright. This is pretty bright. Beautiful mirror, actually. This is made out of beautiful materials. Absolutely love it. So let's talk about the brushes. Let me turn off the light. This light is so awesome. So let's talk about these brushes. I love that this rotates, so you can just, this is so awesome. Okay, there are, let's count the brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 brushes. The brushes match the mirror. Okay, multiple colors, so pretty. So let's just go over the brushes that they have. Okay, there is a powder brush, there is an angled brush, there is a face flat brush, an angled detail brush, an eyebrow combination brush, a flame brush, there is a precision crease brush, there is a classic eyeshadow brush, concealer brush, eyebrow brush, a flat angled eyeshadow brush, detail brush, lip brush, I love that, and an eyelash brush. This is so cool. The brushes are actually pretty soft, so yeah, let's actually try them. It's that time. Okay, so you guys know, let me turn on the light. Woo, bright. I wish that this actually turned down. You guys know that I typically use Q-tips for my eyeshadow, but I'm actually gonna use a brush. I've actually been wanting to just try brushes, so let's get started. I'm using a gold color from e.l.f. Oh, this works very well. I turned the light off really quick. There's actually enough room to kind of just sit your eyeshadow here. Love this. And since it is something that moves and bends, you don't have to really worry about things like falling all over the place. I believe I'm using the classic eyeshadow brush. Oh, this is awesome. To have a mirror that holds all your brushes, anything else that you need that fits in here, like my eyeshadow right now, and that you can turn it so that your arm has space to actually do your makeup. This is awesome. Oh, I love it. I have the light on again. Whether you need the light or not, depending on your settings, again, the clarity of this mirror is really, truly beautiful. Again, I have used the classic eyeshadow brush. So now I'm about to switch up brushes. I'm gonna turn it off because I do have enough light to see. But yeah, so let's continue on. So let me try another brush. And what's awesome, there is actually a guide on the back so you know what type of brush you're using. This guide also tells you what each brush is for. For example, it says the powder brush easily create natural makeup effect. Angled brush is perfect for blush and bronzer. So here's your guide. So I'm gonna be using, I think I'm gonna be using the detail brush. Gonna be using another e.l.f. Ooh, too much. That means that these brushes pick up really well. Oh, it does. I'm just gonna kind of put this in my crease. That's the brush that I just used. And this is the one that I'm about to use. Just put a little bit here. My goodness, I usually don't put that much of the dark shadow. So that little precision brush actually is really well. Be very careful with it. It's a very good brush, at least in my opinion. I put a little bit too much on the brush. I'll fix that though. Oh wow, these brushes, like, they really pick up the shadow, you guys. Let me just say, these brushes really get straight to the point. If you don't feel like taking a long time, and if you don't feel like doing things over and over again, these brushes are really good at picking up the eyeshadow. I am serious. Okay, let me finish this eyeshadow. I'll put a little bit of the light color. I should have used the precision brush for this, but I kind of like having the darker color still kind of present, just for blending purposes. And this one is thin enough too. A little bit more gold. I'm getting dewy, you guys, but actually I don't mind it a little bit. It's a little warm, a little humid, a little bit of dewiness. A little bit of dewiness is okay. It can be pretty. I'm glowing. So let me clean this up now. Get a Q-tip, clean the eyeshadow up. Had to climb over some things. I'm gonna clean up my eyeliner, and then I will show you the close-up look. Okay, guys, so I am done. I'm gonna show you the close-up. These brushes are awesome. So I did not put my lashes on because I just wanted you to see the work from the brushes. So today is actually the next day. I wanted to try the brushes again because I just simply was not used to using those types of brushes. I did not want my lack of usage to affect how you guys view the brushes. So here's my eyeshadow, and I feel like I did a little bit of a better job. Okay, honest review, all in all, honestly, this will be coming with me places, possibly everywhere. I've been wanting a mirror, and a mirror that lights up, something that's not too big, not too small, and I've actually been wanting some more brushes, so this is awesome. The brushes pick up eyeshadow awesomely, beautifully. You're gonna do your makeup very quickly depending on your process. But yeah, these are awesome. The brushes are pretty soft. The only humble suggestion that I have is that I think there should be like a separation between the brushes and the mirror. Maybe like a little open door that kind of flips up this way and closes back. Something that you can kind of have like a half circle, like finger hole to kind of just open it and close it. I think that would be awesome, especially because some of us humans, we're clumsy. And also to make sure that little to no makeup gets on the mirror. It doesn't need it, but I think it would just be a nice touch. Just my humble suggestion and opinion. Absolutely love this, and this is actually going to be going with me, okay? It's really convenient. Even if you don't want to put your brushes in there, you can put lip glosses and other things in there. And to be totally honest, I can't tell you how the foundation or powder brushes work because I personally don't wear foundation or powder. But given the application from the other brushes, I think this is going to work out pretty well. I don't want to speak on something that I'm not like familiar with, but I do want to say that the brushes are really nice and they do pick up makeup really well. Just going based off of that, I think you will have a pretty good application. And if the brush isn't for you, then you can always put your own small brush in here and use everything else, because again, there's so many brushes. There's like 14 brushes in here, so many to choose from, so many to use, and it's still a really great kit. just awesome. So I really highly suggest this. I have to mention that before your first use, charge this up USB-C cable for 2 hours. So there is no compartment for batteries. That's another thing that I wish would have been a little bit different, even if it was little tiny circle ones. But this only takes 2 hours to charge. So I believe that's every time it's totally depleted. And it's been a while since I've been filming, so this seems to stay charged pretty well. But yeah, USB-C, okay? This makeup kit is available on Amazon. Again, it comes in 3 different colors. So let me know if you purchase it. And if so, happy application. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all for sending this to me. This is not a paid review. They sent this to me and they asked me to review it. And I absolutely love it. This is awesome. It's like one of my favorite things now. Like, I just love little, what I'm calling makeup gadgets. But yeah. All right, everyone, thank you all for being here. I had fun reviewing this. I was so excited to do this. So until next time, do all things in love and gracefully. Bye.